In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these side window deflectors on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Now you want to take a alcohol wipe and just right above the window and to the back, just wipe and clean this area. And on the mirror just a little bit. Then we're going to go to the back and do the same on that. And we're going to let that dry. And on the back side, we're going to pull up on this protective strip. Just a little bit. We don't have to take the whole thing off. If you need to, you can use a razor blade just to get it started. Do the same on the other side. Take that one off, take this off, just so you can grab it. I'll just line this up. You can feel underneath so that you're close to where the top of the door is, where the window is. Get that lined up there. That's good right there. Just push down. You can grab the backing, protective strip, peel that off. And then you want to push down. Get that all set. That looks good. There's just a protective layer on here. You can peel that off. Just get this lined up. Feel underneath, see where that goes. You want to try to get this to line up with the front one as close as possible. Peel the backing off and then push it down. And just grab the protective layer and slide it off. You can do the same on the other side.